Hey y'all, I'll be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, so let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is brush up the hair before applying the pencil because you want it to look neat and straight. Depending on how you like your eyebrows to look, it's going to be different, but I like my eyebrows to look arched, so I start from the bottom going up. If you want your eyebrows to look natural, use less of the pencil and more of the brush. Also, when it comes to outlining the top, you want to do it at least an inch away from where the hair grows so that it looks natural. It looks dark on camera, but it's really not that dark. This is in the shade medium brown, by the way. This is how I like my eyebrows to look. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, it's just perfect. So as you can see, it's looking good so far. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. I usually wax my eyebrows, but if you wax or thread your eyebrows first, it's going to come out way better. So once again, you want to create a line lightly and then darken up the end of the eyebrows. And when I say the end, I mean the arch of the eyebrow, just to make that clear. Make sure to blend it out with the spoolie because you really don't need to reapply. I still can't believe they upped the price for this eyebrow pencil. When I first purchased this, it was like $21 at the time. And then they upped it to $23 and now it's at $26. Like, that's crazy. There is a dupe for this eyebrow pencil. The one I tried is the L'Oreal brow pencil. And that one is good. I'm gonna have to repurchase that one when I'm on a budget. But anyways, once you're finished outlining the bottom, the top is going to be easy because all you have to do is just make sure it's straight. Now, to make my eyebrows look more natural, I like to use a wet spoolie. This also helps to remove any residue, so any extra product is going to get taken out with this. It looks so natural. I could leave it like this, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks with the concealer and the foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. This is the part that makes the eyebrows look even better. So I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I only apply a little bit and reapply if I need to later on. When it comes to doing your eyebrows, you really need to trust the process because it might look crazy at first, but at the end, everything always comes together. Eyebrows is like the main thing when it comes to makeup. If my eyebrows is not looking right, then the whole makeup is not gonna look right. I really need to get a bigger brush, but I like to use the small brush because it's easier to work with and you can easily fix anything if you make a mistake. So when blending this out, you want to make sure you're as close to the outline as possible so that the eyebrow look clean. This looks too good. I love it when my eyebrows cooperate. Like, it's the best thing ever. Once I'm done blending, I apply more just to sharpen up the eyebrow. Now I'm going to clean up the top using my foundation, and this is the part that really makes the eyebrow look even better. And to make it look more natural, just use the foundation brush and blend it out as close as you can. And that is how I do my eyebrows. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.